Okay, this is our weather station here at the lake. This is a really cool place. This is for private access by government employees only. Notice the sign. We access this weather station every morning and have been doing it for over 50 years with the U.S. Weather Service. This peculiar little box here just stores chlorine and such for the pool of water over there. If you get close to this plaque, may or may not be completely visible, but it's from the U.S. Department of Commerce, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, National Weather Service. Interference prohibited. They built this, put it in. We got weather sensors of different variations. We got a water gauge. This is an automated water gauge that measures rainfall. You have our, of course, lovely hose that fills the pan. That's an evap pan. This cool piece of gadgetry sends data directly to the satellite system so they can record it daily. A really cool invention they put in a few years ago. This evaporation pan is what I wanted to show you all today. This little gem helps estimate, to the best of scientific knowledge, the level to which the water evaporates from the lake every day. And this cool little device here, this one here, is a gauge we use. We put it in the water, we twist it to that little piece down there. You can't see it in here because it's a little shadowy dark with clouds today, but it's a little tip hook. That hook right there. It hits the tip of the water, and we read the gauge, and today the gauge is reading to be approximately 2.95. Yesterday was in the 3 range, I believe it was. So we've lost probably a quarter of an inch of water in one day due to evaporation. This pan is good representation of the lake. And every weather station around the nation has a evaporation pan of some form. Very similar gauges, some digital, some manual. We also have a thermometer underneath here that measures the temperatures of the water, highest temperature and lowest temperature of the day. And then we have this anemometer. And this one has cups on it, and they catch the wind, they spin, tell us how many rotations that we have to estimate and calculate the wind speed and quantity of wind yesterday. Now what's really cool about this evap pan, if you look down in there, sand and dirt from the air has blown in, and wave action has created a pattern on the bottom. This wind blowing around has created that wave action. See that? If you look carefully, see if you can get a better view. Does that look anything familiar? Have you ever been to the beach? Seeing the waves in the beach, how they ripple in hills and valleys? Well, there's your hills and valleys in a smaller scale, a micro scale versus a macro. You can also see these ripples in petrified rocks. These are very similar ripples that you'll see inside the gorge over here at the Canyon Lake if you come in any time. But these are really cool. You just stick your hand in though, and very quickly they're disturbed. They go away. So by this time tomorrow, there'll be fresh new ripples, and completely different from the ones today based on the wind and weather patterns of the day. Now, I can get back to taking the weather. This is a cool job, and this is one of my cool features I get to do during the day. Talk to y'all later.